What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back, more tech and more reviews. And here we go. A lot of people have been asking about screen protectors for this brand new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. We know we got a curved screen on here, some curved glass. So I thought we would probably go back to ArmorSuit. This is a film screen protector. I've used them before, so let's talk about it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get ready and suit this bad boy up. So, what all comes in this box? Let's see what we got. Alright, so you get your ArmorSuit spray. Get that up front. You get your screen protectors, all your warnings and warranties and all that good stuff. And you get your squeegee and your terry cloth right there. All right, but I will be using that squeegee, and we got this here. We'll sit to the side, and I've done this several times before, so let's just get right into it. So one thing I like to always tell people is when you are installing one of these screen protectors, be sure and always turn your screen off. It's going to cut back on any type of static electricity that is going to attract dust and all that good stuff. All right, so it comes with all your instructions. It's going to always tell you watch your stop, caution, watch your instructions, scan this QR code for curved edges. Now for curved edges, you may end up having to use a blow dryer. So we do have a heat gun. If we have to, we'll use that. Activate your warranty. And this is the screen protector. So you get two of them in the packaging. And there we go. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get started with installing this screen protector. We only need one. And like I said, I've done this before, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I do want to correct one thing before we get started. This actual solution is not adhesive. I always thought it was, but I just read through everything really carefully, and it is not an adhesive, but I will let you know it is sticky. So that's why I always thought it was an adhesive. But we are going to go ahead and get started. Now, this is a wet application. All we are going to do is spray the fingers, spray the screen, peel the thing off, and lay it on and watch it happen. Okay. So I will end up using this because they don't give you any other cleaning supplies other than this microfiber, which is good because you're not supposed to put alcohol on the screen anyway. All right, so we got that sprayed off, cleaned off. We're gonna give it a shake this up, give it a few sprays, nice and coated. All right, and then fingers, we're gonna spray the fingers, and so once you get it peeled so far, it'll just kind of start to come off. And that was one of the reasons why we sprayed the fingers. And you'll just peel it on off. And one more time, spray, 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 spray the fingers. Uh-oh. All right, so lay it down. And now all we do is kind of line it up, get it exactly where we need it to be. And I do have it sitting on a microfiber cloth. But the next thing we want to do is, I'm just going to go ahead and spray all my fingers so we just don't mess it up. And here we go. We're going to just try to get all excess moisture out of the sides. And just to let you guys know that this screen does not come down over the whole the curvature of the phone. It just kind of hangs out right on those edges. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna squeegee all the excess liquid out of those sides, out of the side, and I'm just gonna hold it up just so I can verify that it's in place. And there we go. Because I got to be able to see that camera cutout. The camera cutout is the main landmark. So I got the camera cut out, just lined up, just like I wanted. And we will just proceed to try to get as much liquid out as possible. Now this normally takes about 15-20 minutes before you get a good seal on it. But there we go. We are going to keep doing this. And once I get this completely dry, what I will do is I will show you guys the finished product. So I actually did end up having to use the heat gun, as you can see. But these edges, they don't wrap all the way around, but they come slightly over. So you do have to use that heat gun or a blow dryer just to kind of heat it up, smooth it out. Once you get it smoothed down, it's no issue. Now the screen does look a little worn right now, as you can see. Fingerprints, things like that. In a few days, that kind of stuff just wears away. I've used this before. So what I'll be doing is I've been putting out a lot of shorts lately. This is not really worth a full update video, but I probably will do a short just to show you how this looks in the next 3 or 4 days. So you want to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. Don't bother it, don't touch it. And then what you're going to do is just turn it on as normal, use it as normal, but I normally let mine sit for the duration of the evening, so I probably won't be using this for the rest of the night. But that's pretty much it. But this one is ArmorSuit. It is a film, not a glass, not an ultra thin glass, but we'll do a follow-up in a few days just to see how it's looking, how it's doing, and if I recommend it. So like I said, I do recommend it. I've used them before, but can I recommend it for this device? We'll talk about that in a few more days. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.